Make a great choice today with the 2016 Lexus RC. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.